Hey, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Tip Tuesday. We have Ryan Gilliam with us today, as we always do. Hello, Ryan.
Hello. Welcome back, everyone.
Yes, so welcome to the show. So today we are going to talk to our veteran community, our VA buyers and homeowners out there, and tell you just a little bit about what VA financing is all about, because we get the question a lot, don't we, Ryan?
We do. Yes, absolutely. And we absolutely love helping veterans purchase a home loan with the VA mortgage loan, and it's really one of the best programs available. Just going over really the basics today is I know what we wanted to do with the VA loan. It's a loan that's guaranteed by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs. So this guarantee is really what allows the VA loan to have so many benefits over other mortgage loans. Mm-hmm. The biggest benefit, of course, being that there's no down payment required. That there's 100% financing on the property. So on top of that, usually you'd have to put 20% down to get rid of monthly mortgage insurance. But VA loans, even with zero down, there's no monthly mortgage insurance. This could be really big savings, hundreds of dollars on your monthly mortgage payment. Also, with the loan being government backed, it really allows banks to offer lower mortgage rates because there's less risk with this guarantee. So you could definitely see much lower rates with the program than a conventional loan, for instance. So, just to recap, no money down, no monthly mortgage insurance, lower rates. The VA loan really has so many benefits. Now, we wanted to kind of, cover to qualify for it. What do you need? You need to be basically have served or currently serving in the United States military, but also, certain National Guard or Reserve members can qualify as well. A lot of people don't know that, but you definitely can. There are options for that. And surviving spouses, if your partner passed away in service or from service to connected disability, you could still get a VA loan as a surviving spouse. Now, the benefits of these loans are not just for purchasing, they're for refinancing as well. VA has a refinance program called the Interest Rate Reduction Refinance Loan. It's called IRRL for short. It's a mouthful, right? IRRRL, IRRL. So it allows you to refinance an existing VA loan into a new VA loan with a low interest rate. And what's great is no appraisals required. There's no income verification. There's no out-of-pocket costs. Any costs can be rolled into the new loan. So, in our current rate environment with rates dropping, this is a huge benefit to lock in a lower rate as things improve with really minimal paperwork and fees. So, these are really just kind of the basics of the VA loan. I know next week we want to dig a little bit deeper into the program and go over common questions. But yeah, these are just kind of a quick run through of what to expect from the program.
Awesome. I appreciate that. And then quick question about the rates. You had mentioned that the rate's a bit more competitive than conventional financing. Is it a fixed rate or is it an adjustable rate?
Yes, it is a fixed rate. It's a 30-year fixed. You can even do a lower term too, if you'd like. You could do like a 20-year or a 15-year if you want to pay off the house sooner. But yes, VA loans are fixed rates mortgages.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for the basics, Ryan. We appreciate that. And I hope that helped you out there, helped out our veteran community, and those of you who are taking care of our veterans. We thank you very much for that. They definitely need our love. So stick around for next week when we come back and talk a little bit more about VA financing. We're going to dive just a little bit deeper. So make sure that you tune in over on your favorite platform, your favorite podcast platform. I'm like, wait, what are we talking about here? We are talking about our podcast. If you want to catch us for next week and make sure that you don't miss that on your favorite podcast platform, do a quick search for Arizona Real Estate Radio. You can catch us on YouTube as well. It is at Team EvoAZ. That's our handle. Or just comment below and we can get back to you with any questions that you have. All right, Ryan, we will see you next week.
Thanks, everyone.
Bye.
Looking for the right home loan can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Hi, I'm Ryan Gilliam, an Arizona native with 20 years of experience helping families find the best mortgage solution for their needs. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or refinancing, I make the process simple, stress-free, and tailored just for you. I help you access better rates, offer guidance tailored to your goals, and make the mortgage approval process easier every step of the way. Your best mortgage starts with the right partner. Let's make your home goals happen. Reach out today.